In this video, I'll show you how to create a Tripadvisor API key to use with the Smash Balloon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. This plugin allows you to embed reviews from Tripadvisor, Google, Facebook, and more into fast and responsive feeds on your WordPress website. Let's get started with obtaining your Tripadvisor API key. First, head to the Tripadvisor Developers API page. I've included a link in the description for your convenience. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, return to the Developers API page. To begin the process, click on Create API Key. It's important to note that Tripadvisor does not offer a free API key. You will need to purchase the Tripadvisor Content API. Use the cost estimator on the page to help determine the expected expenses and set your daily budget accordingly. After setting your budget, enter your billing information to complete the purchase of the API key. Once the purchase is confirmed, navigate to the API dashboard. Then click Create API Key. You will need to provide details about your organization and your website. For API restrictions, choosing domain names is typically suitable. Add your domain and save the settings to finalize your API key creation. Now that you have your Tripadvisor API key, copy it and head to your WordPress site. Then start creating a new Tripadvisor reviews feed. Select Tripadvisor as your source and paste your API key there. You're now ready to create a dynamic and engaging Tripadvisor reviews feed on your website. For more information on getting started with the Smash Balloon Reviews Feed Pro plugin, visit smashballoon.com. Should you encounter any technical issues, our support team is ready to assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on social media marketing to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.